Good afternoon, YouTube fam. Back for another thrilling installment. I've been primering the transporter. As you can see, I've just finished second coat and everything. Done both sides of the doors, sliding doors there, in and out. I've got some small bits of filling to do on them still, and then I'll just touch that up and then hit it with colour. So, quite happy. Yes, I should have taken the handles off. Sue me. Front bumpers turned out okay at the second attempt. First attempt it was looking crap. Back bumper still looks crap, but slightly less crap than it was at the start. So it's an earlier bumper off a T5. It's got the smaller reflectors on it, but and bigger reverse sensing holes. It's not the one I would have wanted, but it was said to fit T5.1, so when I ordered it they sent it up the road, and lo and behold it didn't fit. So I need to buy the new side parts that go in here, attach the bumper bracket holder on. Well, I've also been making a complete arse of welding in this panel. It doesn't look too bad, but there's a pencil line. Don't know if you can make it out. Out here, pencil line. You can see how it's going in. So it's going in here. It's going in there. Then it's bulging out here, and then down the bottom it's going in as well. So a bit of a fail in that part, but I mean it was all buckled before, but I kind of straightened it out. I thought it would be okay, but when I welded this new panel in, obviously it wasn't. So it looks like I'm going to have to replace the whole quarter, well half of that, a half panel in the back there. However, I had to take advantage of the weather and get priming. So I've got 3 coats in the roof, 2 coats everywhere else, apart from here obviously. And I've still got a few bits to sort out with this. Sill needs filled up and whatnot. But as you can see, it's a proper job. Done all the insides of the doors as well, but I did that with epoxy as well. So looking alright. That's just masking where I've masked up the adhesive step bit. I'm getting there, masking everywhere. That's the secret to an easy life. Took out the doors obviously. Problem down here, this bolt in this hole doesn't want to come out, it's just turning. So if anybody get any genius ideas for that, I'd appreciate it, because I need to get this out because it's fucked. So that's welding. Managed to set fire to the inside of the van, had some paper covering these that I'd already primed, and obviously come in through there, hit the paper, up in flames. So I had to re-primer these parts here. They were all kind of slightly singed. But yeah, my welding's not great. I'll admit that. There's loads of pinholes in it, as you can see. And I also got there was a sunburn off it, because I wasn't wearing a mask. Don't tell the health and safety guy. But I'm quite happy with the painting so far. It's taking shape, you know. So I'm quite happy with that. My motorbike mudguard as well. Oh yeah. So I'll just get a quick tour around the van. The wheels and tyres are obviously going. I've got a set of 20s waiting to go on. This also comes with this clear film down here. So I peeled it off obviously, painted it straight onto the white. I'm not bothered about the insides getting coated because obviously there's the steps and everything else to go in. Filled a few holes around these doors. And inside, usual suspects where folk catch it with their seat belts and what have you. So they're looking okay. There will be some more filling to do, not a lot though hopefully. And also fitted my new bonnet and wings, painted them as well. And I had a big dent in this door. I've filled it, but it's still not right. because you can see the coach line. If you look down, can't really see it in this light, right in the sun. Yeah, if you look down the coach line, you can see that it dips in a little bit. Well, it doesn't dip in, it just kind of disappears a bit here, so we'll have to straighten that out. The old masking tape filler. Put a bit of masking tape along the coach line, fill the top half, sand it, and then put the masking tape in the top line, fill the bottom half, sand it, and then just take the edge off. It should all match up nicely. The new bonnet's actually not bad, quality wise. Lots of masking. Like I say, I did 3 coats in the roof and 2 everywhere else. So colour next. And the colour, well, the roof is going to be BMW carbon black. The rest of the van's going to be a different colour. But the carbon black's got like a dark sort of blue flip in it. So I'll be taking it from the channel up there on the inside to the other side. And then obviously that'll all get masked up when I do the rest. So what I need is another few days like this. Look at that glorious weather. Hallelujah. So that's it for today. Just a quick one. But I'm pretty chuffed. It's all turned out pretty good so far. Like I say, there's some bits of filler to do, but that's only to be expected in a job like this. So I'll leave it to it. I'll be back with another thrilling instalment. Who knows when. Cheers. Bye.